Hey, it's another beautiful day on Socotra, and today we are going to the Indian Ocean to explore the beautiful beach on that part and lots of dunes and one more cave. So let's go! We just arrived at the sand dunes of Steroh. These are the second largest dunes on Socotra. You can see the beach on my back.
Подламывает, сказал, мальчики только не... Где девочки? Девочек нет. Yes, that's all.
We are in the Gap cave and it's very small, as you could see. There is a very nice water well which we're gonna use. It's completely natural. It's coming from the top. A bunch of... Just arrived at the Zohak dunes, which are the largest in here, and it's windy, sandy, and every day those dunes are getting reshaped. These dunes are extremely amazing, they are so huge, you can fly here all day. But I think it's time to go back. Today, since it's New Year Eve, we decided to get tuna. And we're gonna take some to go and then we'll do a New Year Eve party. You're using a plastic bag to make a fire. What is this? What is this?
It's a, I don't know, crabby.
Crab in the shell.
What's the bet? I think it's 100.
1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah, go!
They are least. Go.
But then,
Okay,
Oh, man. He's coming.
for the bomber.
Yeah, I win.
So official iPhone clock says it's 1 minute.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's like 69. I don't see seconds. Oh, now it's New Year. Yes, it is New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Yay!
2019.
Go.